Touch you right there, don't be shy, be like you when you're a little bit feisty. Don't mind if you bite at night. Lady in the street, but a baby living inside of me. A lady in the street, but a baby living inside of me. Bedroom bully tastes real, real good, can't find me. Bedroom bully tastes real, real good, can't find me.
Yes, it's your girl, she bad, she brag, the real princessa, the real diva, the real gallant babe. If you know, you know. If you don't know, get to know. I got a whisper, yeah. Because it's 5 a.m. in London City. It's 5 a.m. Quarantine the lockdown has been playing with my sleeping pattern, So yeah, I kind of sleep during the day and I'm up all night. It's really fucked up. When I get back to work, I'm back on it. But listen, today I'm gonna give you a video. I'm just gonna show you how I lay down my wet curl wig. I'm reinstalling it, so I'm never gonna talk through the video. You know, I like to just show you, I like to get straight into it. So I'm gonna get straight into it, and I'm gonna have the music playing while I show you what I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, support your gallant babe. I know I told you we need to stick together, sisters. Come like and subscribe, share. Anyway, so yeah, I'll be back. love it. I fucking love it. I like a wet curl wig. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do like a wet curl. Oh. I love it. That's it, guys. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Yes. I know the lace looks a bit brown, but in the mirror it looks much better. But anyway, you know, like girls, you know how it goes. You know when you do finish doing your makeup and you do it. I didn't get to bleach this knots. I didn't bleach it before I put it on. Look at my dry fingers. But yeah, I didn't bleach the lace before I put it on. So I will think about doing that next time before I reinstall it. This time I just put like a piece of foundation. When I do like my makeup and stuff, like I'll blend it in. I just can't put do the whole shebang. Even though I should, because it's like a YouTube video, but girl, I just have to keep it real. I'm going to bed. I know it looks good. I know it looks good. I know it looks good. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, Gallant Girlies.